Hi, let's quickly see Power BI DAX revision, quicker beginner version of preparing for interview. Measures. Measures in DAX are calculations that are used in Power BI to perform aggregations, calculations, and comparisons on data. They are defined using the define, measure, or calculate functions. Let me show you this via an example. I have the orders table. I am going to create a simple measure using sum function. Also, when asked at the interview, don't forget to mention without an example. Next is the calculated columns. Calculated columns are columns that are created in a table by using DAX expressions. They are calculated row by row when the data is loaded into the model. So for this also, I'll give you a short example and the main difference among a measure and a calculate column. Here you can see I am creating a new column and then writing the DAX function with another simple example. Here, the main difference is that we can see the row by row calculation, whereas in measure, the values are aggregated on a complete column. DAX functions. DAX provides a wide range of functions for data manipulation and calculation. Some common functions include sum, average count, filter, calculate, related, all, except, and many more, which is actually a inbuilt function. Like, let's observe an example for sum function. Calculate function goes like this. And filter function goes like this with the filter option you required. Context, this is very important DAX that needs major attention on. DAX calculations are performed within a context, which can be row context or filter context. Understanding how context works is crucial for writing accurate DAX expressions. Row context, calculations that are done row by row, e.g., calculated columns. Filter context, set by report filters, slicers, or DAX functions like calculate. Relationships. Power BI data models are built on relationships between tables. DAX expressions can leverage these relationships to perform calculations across related tables. It can be using any cardinality. Time intelligence functions. DAX includes a set of time intelligence functions that enable you to perform calculations based on dates and time periods. Examples include total it, SAM period last year, dates between, etc. Again, another example goes like, variables. DAX allows you to declare and use variables within expressions to improve readability and performance of complex calculations. Aggregation functions. DAX provides aggregation functions like sums, average x, counts, cat, allow you to iterate over a table and perform aggregations based on specified conditions. Logical functions. DAX includes logical functions such as if, and, or, switch that help in implementing conditional logic within calculations. Error handling. DAX provides functions like is blank, if error, blank, etc. for handling errors and missing data in calculations. Thus, this is the top DAX revision methods for quick revision for interviews. Please subscribe and thank you all.